In the picturesque setting of Covington, Kentucky, a story of architectural transformation unfolds at the Ascent at Roebling's Bridge. Led by Presto Restoration Products and Services, this iconic 22-story building is experiencing a rejuvenation of its unique structure. Designed by renowned architect Daniel Libeskind and standing 300 feet tall, the Ascent, a blend of luxury and innovation, began showing signs of aging. It was time for a revival, focusing on the building's intricate stone and select glass surfaces. Buildings featuring flush-mounted glass and precast designs are visually impressive but present maintenance challenges. Minerals within the precast can leach onto the glass below due to water erosion, complicating upkeep. Our team, masters in facade restoration, embarked on this project with a commitment to remove the stains from every architectural surface and prevent their return. The process began with our Stone Restore series, removing years of accumulated dirt and stains from the building's precast stone surfaces. Once pristine, we applied Leach Stop, our advanced precast protective treatment, safeguarding the stone against water penetration and mineral leaching that leads to glass stains. As for the glass, Presto's glass resurfacer system was carefully employed, restoring clarity and brilliance. Afterward, Glass Defender was applied, protecting the newly restored glass from future stains and damage. The roof, that had accumulated years of buildup, was cleaned using Presto's Stone Restore CB2, safely restoring the roofing material back to a like-new condition. Cleaning the windows every 3 to 6 months using Presto's scum-free window cleaning concentrate and deionized water will preserve the exterior of the building for many years to come. Behold the result, a building reborn, a testament to the cutting-edge restoration capabilities of Presto Restoration Products and Services. The Ascent's distinctive slanted roof, now impeccably clean, mirrors the flowing Ohio River beside it. Presto Restoration Products and Services, where innovation in restoration meets the excellence of our chemical products, preserving landmarks like the Ascent at Roebling's Bridge in Covington, today and for generations to come.